how to find your number on iPhone. So if you want to find your phone number on iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through at least 2 different approaches you can use to find your phone number on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first approach is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, while on the settings page, just scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to FaceTime and then click on it. On iOS 18, go to apps and then search for FaceTime. Then once open FaceTime, scroll down, then you should see your phone number here on your iPhone. You can see this is my phone number on iPhone for FaceTime. That is one. Another way you can use to find your phone number on your iPhone is, so while on the settings page, open the phone app or go to apps on iOS 18 and then open the phone app. So just go ahead and open the phone app. Then you should see my number here. If you click on my number, then this is your number on iPhone. So if this is not your number, you want to change your number on iPhone, just delete this and then hit the save button. So that is yet another way you can use to see your number on iPhone. So if you want to see your number on iPhone without going through all this approach, all you just need to do is go to the phone app and then put a call through to any contact. And then once you call the contact on your iPhone and then the phone rings, then you should see your phone number on the second phone just like this. So you can see I'm having an incoming call on this particular Samsung device from my iPhone, and then I can tell that my phone number is this. So those are the approaches you can use to find your phone number on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.